Brain-eating amoeba. Introduction. The recent rise in waterborne diseases has brought the spotlight on Naegleria fowleri, a free-living amoeba nicknamed the brain-eating amoeba. This unicellular organism poses a rare but severe threat, causing a fatal brain infection known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis (PAM). Let's delve into the details of this pathogen, its impact, and the measures to understand its relevance in public health and disaster management. The organism Naegleria fowleri. Habitat. Naegleria fowleri thrives in warm, freshwater environments like lakes, rivers, hot springs, and poorly maintained swimming pools. It flourishes at temperatures exceeding 46 degrees Celsius, 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and can survive in moist soil for brief periods. Morphology: microscopic, visible only under a microscope. Life cycle: Naegleria fowleri exists in two forms: a flagellated stage for motility and a cyst stage for survival in harsh conditions. Transmission and infection. Entry point: the amoeba enters the human body through the nasal cavity during recreational activities like swimming or diving in contaminated water. Pathway to the brain: it travels up the olfactory nerve, reaching the brain where it destroys tissue and causes inflammation. This rapid process leads to PAM. Symptoms and diagnosis. Early symptoms 1 to 3 days: headache, nausea, vomiting, and fever, often mistaken for common ailments. Later symptoms 3-7 days: loss of smell, altered mental state, seizures, and coma. Diagnosis: rapid and accurate diagnosis is crucial. Microscopic examination of cerebrospinal fluid is the primary method. Treatment and prevention. Treatment: limited treatment options exist. Early administration of specific anti-amoebic drugs and supportive care can be attempted. Prevention: public awareness is key. Avoiding warm freshwater activities in high-risk areas, using nose clips while swimming, and proper pool chlorination are essential preventive measures. UPSC CSE relevance. Naegleria fowleri presents a challenge in the following areas. Public health. Understanding the risk factors associated with Naegleria fowleri helps formulate effective public health campaigns and advisories. Focus should be on preventive health care and disease control. Disaster management. Climate change can exacerbate the spread of waterborne diseases. Emerging threats like Naegleria fowleri and integrate them into disaster management strategies, particularly for flood-prone areas. Science and technology. Research and development of rapid diagnostic tools and effective treatments for PAM are crucial. Analyze the need for increased investment in scientific research for emerging diseases. Case studies for deeper understanding. Kerala case, 2023. The death of a child in Kerala due to PAM highlighted the vulnerability of certain regions and the need for improved water quality monitoring. Analyze how this incident can be used to strengthen public health infrastructure in India. Global trends. Research the global incidence of PAM and compare India's preparedness with other countries. Analyze the need for international collaboration in disease surveillance and knowledge sharing. Conclusion: Naegleria fowleri, though rare, demands attention due to its fatal nature. Understanding this public health challenge is crucial to analyze its impact on various sectors and formulate effective strategies for mitigation and preparedness. By focusing on prevention, early diagnosis, and improved infrastructure, India can effectively combat this and other emerging waterborne diseases. Research the socio-economic factors that contribute to the spread of waterborne diseases, like lack of access to clean water and sanitation facilities. Analyze the role of media and communication in raising public awareness about waterborne pathogens. Discuss the ethical considerations involved in research on emerging infectious diseases. Answer this question. Naegleria fowleri is a dash pathogen. A. Airborne. B. Waterborne. C. Direct contact. D. Animal to person. Comment down your answer.